Good morning. So I just got up. I was going to go for a coffee run, but look what I saw. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to go check and see what's going on. Oh, it's a cold October day. Wow, like honestly, I didn't even see that, but I don't know why there was a flat. I don't see anything. Oh, I see it right over here. Right over here. It's weird because that wasn't there, right? When I drove back home yesterday, that wasn't there. So I'm just gonna call Porsche service because I don't think I can drive this over there and see what we can do, okay? I remember I did get the tire and rim service, so hopefully that will take care of it. So let's see. This enclosed trailer right over here, towing my Hype Beast. So Hype Beast is in this enclosed trailer right now. And it's going to get the tires fixed. I do have a tire and rim, so hopefully I can claim through that. And then remember from the last vlog, there was a squeaking Targa bar, so hopefully that will fix that too.
One eternity later.
My Hype Beast back. Thanks again to Polycaro, Porsche Oakville, delay service, right? It's moving our cars out of the way so I can park Hype Beast back into my garage. Haven't seen Hype Beast for literally a week, man. Whoo, like, it's cool how every time you see it, it looks even better. So the right side's good, right? That's not been replaced, which should get replaced next time. But here's the car coming. Don't want to die yet. This will be the brand new tire. Brand new Pirellis, treads are super good, right? Remember we had that nail before, but it's all good. Balance, brand new tires, no rims, nothing at all, right? It's all good to go. Back in my Hype Beast. Honestly, first impression, back in my Hype Beast. Absolutely love it, right? Thanks again to Polycaro, right? But man, a week not driving this car is just insane. I don't know how I survived, but I'm glad that it's happening. So I'm back at my house right now, and you guys can see in the receipt, it comes to 605. That's after labor, parts, which is the tire, balancing, taxes, everything comes to 605. And then it's actually good that I got the tire and rim protection when I first bought it at Porsche Center North Toronto. You know, I do work at an Audi store. Technically, I can order that tire, Pirelli tire, for free, but the main thing is because the 911, it does come with the center locks, and we don't have that tool to actually unlock that. So because of that, I got the tire and rim protection. For a 4 year, it was only $3,500, which wasn't bad. But one thing to keep in mind is because I bought my 911 at the Porsche Center North Toronto, I brought it to Porsche Oakville to get the tires replaced and get the warranty claimed. Oakville service, they couldn't find that I actually have the tire and rim service, so I had to forward them. So as you guys can see in the texting right over here, I had to forward them my original bill of sale so they can actually find it. To be honest, I was a bit frustrated because like I thought But even at our store, everything syncs, but I guess it's a different store. I won't blame them. I'm not gonna claim anything through warranty, just make sure you have all the paperwork. Sometimes the VIN and your name won't sync, but as long as you have the paperwork, you have all the different documents, I'm sure they can get it done. Got my new tires replaced. It was claimed under warranty. Bill of sale was just for them to claim back under their warranty. But all in all, I think the tire and rim is a good buy. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Did you guys buy any protection, any warranty when you bought your Porsche cars? Do let me know in the comments below. When you guys like this kind of videos, if you guys do, don't forget to like, subscribe, post the notification button on. I am going to release the 1-year review of a 911 very soon. So stay safe guys, peace out.